After talking to my family and to all persons who are interested in my career as a politician, I would like to categorically state now and also the agony of waiting for those who believe in me na hindi ako tatakbo ng presidente. Wala akong ambisyon maging presidente. At in 2016, may usapan kami ni Inday pero hindi pa po Inday Sara na I will ask her to run for the mayorship. In 2016, I will retire from public life for good. Yan ang usapan namin sa pamilya namin. So I'm sorry to all of you who I said believed in me all along, who spent money and toiled tirelessly to maybe advertise my name. I believe it is no longer my time to be in politics. I will retire after my term. Thank you.